Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix USB option not showing on Android device, and also computer did not recognize this USB device problem. From few days when I am going to connect PC and phone with USB cable, my phone is just shown charging but not getting USB option. After research, finally I found few solution of this problem. So in this video I'm going to share all of the solution with you so that you can fix your own problem. So let's start the video. Solution number 1, that is try a different USB cable, cause your USB cable can be corrupted, and also there are in the market available lots of charger cable which is not supported USB but it's just working for charge. So make sure your cable is support USB. If you see it's not working, then unplug it and plug a different USB cable which is support USB. If you find that your USB cable is okay, then let's try another solution, that is try different USB port. Sometimes maybe your USB port is not working properly for many reasons. So disconnect your USB cable from your PC and insert it into a different USB port. Okay, I hope this will be fix your problem. But if this two method not work for you, then let's jump in the third solution. If you have not proper USB driver for Android device, then this problem can be happen with you. So first of all, check your driver, go to search bar and type here device manager, then open it. Then you will see here a option portable device, click on it. If you see here your device is yellow mark, that means you have no proper driver in your computer. So now you have to install this driver, close it and open Chrome browser. Search for Universal ADB driver. Open this first website, click on download. After download it, click on this file. One thing remember, before install this driver, make sure your Android device is disconnected. Now click on next, click on next, again click on next. After complete installation process, your problem will be fixed. Now replug your USB cable with your Android device. Now as you can see, I have got USB option on my Android device, and also my computer is recognize my Android device. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video to inspire us for making these types of important video. Thanks for watching this video.